Good morning class. Today we are going to discuss about F block elements. Students, earlier to this we have seen general introduction of D block element and their general characteristic. Okay, now we are going to discuss about F block element and their general properties. Students, basically F block elements are also termed as inner transition elements. Okay, as D block are termed as transition elements, they are termed as inner transition element, or basically F block element. They comprises of lanthanoids and actinoids. That is, there are two series. One is 4F series and the other is 5F series. 4F series is known as lanthanoids and 5F series is known as actinoids. Now students, talking about number of elements. So lanthanides comprise of 14 elements from cerium to lutetium, and talking about the second series, that is actinoids, it also contains 14 elements. Okay, students, if we are going to deal with their electronic configuration, okay, so talking about their electronic configuration, so their general electronic configuration is n-2 f 0 to 14 n-1 d 0 to 1 and ns2. Okay, students, so from here you can see that talking about any of the inner transition element, it may be cerium, it may be jordanium. So in case of these compounds, you can see here their general electronic configuration is, in case of cerium, it is inner core xenon 4f2 5d1 6s2. Basically what happens, students, generally here you can see as they are ranging from configuration f1 to f13. So configuration having f1 to f13 configuration are having colored because their transition can take place, that is FF transition takes place. But students, in case of elements having configuration F0 to F14, likewise La3 plus and Lu3 plus, in case of these compound, these elements, what happens, there is no coloration as they are fully filled. Okay, so students, in this manner you can tell about the properties, coloring property. Students, one more characteristic of the inner transition element, that is F block elements, is that all the lanthanoid shine like silver, okay, and are soft metals. They are soft metals. Students, one more property is that the lanthanoids generally combine with chelate ligands to form ring compound. Okay, now students, talking about their oxidation states. So their oxidation state may be +3, and talking about the +2 and +4 oxidation state, so they are also present in solution or solid compound. Students, talking about +4 oxidation state, so +4 oxidation of states of cerium corresponding to that of noble gases configuration and is thus stable, but it is a strong oxidizing agent and get reduced to +3 state, that is Eu2 plus. It is a stronger reductant, and Pr, neodymium, Tb and Dy, they are show +4 oxidation state. Okay, students, so these are the basic introduction only of a block element. In our next lecture we will be discussing about what is lanthanide contraction, because from here question is raised in your exam that what is lanthanide contraction. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture. Thank you class.